Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs and welcome to today's tutorial, which is all about this home decor 3D shadow box. I used my Tech Wrap vinyls to create this 3D look and absolutely adore how it's turned out. It's probably one of my favourite projects that I've done. So I can show you how we've done that. The Tech Wrap tools that I've used for this project are my trusty weeding pen, the tweezers, which I used a lot during this project. They were really handy, and the squidgy as well came in handy as always, and I used a strong tack purple Tech Wrap mat. And the vinyls that I used are the shimmer black, the glitter white, the glitter Kelly green, fluorescent orange, mirror chrome orange, the gold lime in shimmer, and the red mirror chrome. So we've got a really great bunch of vinyl colours there. And what I used for the actual pieces were some cardstock, and as long as it's quite sturdy that's okay, and a frame, and I just had this IKEA shadow box frame. And this is how everything looks. Each piece is different, so there's 8 pieces in total that I need to print. But the first thing I need to do is add my vinyl to my cardstock. So the first colour was shimmer black, then we've got the glitter white, then the fluorescent orange, and you can see how easy it is to apply with the squidgy. That was the shimmer lime green, then the orange mirror chrome, and the mirror chrome red. And last but not least, the glitter Kelly green. So as with all of these, I've used my squidgy and the application was incredibly easy. Then the next part was removing once I'd cut it out on my silhouette cameo, I just had to remove each piece, and that was the bit that took quite a bit of time. I'm starting out using my weeding pen and then my tweezers just to push out all those excess pieces. So it was just like a normal weeding project, but with the cardstock giving it that extra density that you needed. So each piece took me a few minutes. Some of the pieces had more delicate designs on them, so each piece took me a little bit longer than I had anticipated. A lot of them with the leaves had to be removed from the middle part, but it was definitely a labour of love, and I had to make sure that with the vinyls that they were the holographic or the metallic style vinyls. They worked best, especially because I had quite a heavy cardstock. So if you have a lighter cardstock, you might be able to get away with using the matte vinyls, but I found that they didn't work so well. But I was happy with how the sort of metallic and the holographic and the thicker vinyls, so like the glitter white and the shimmer black, they just had a better result when I printed them out because of the heavy blade that you needed to use on your Cameo or your Cricut, whatever machine that you use. So I'm still going here. It was quite a lot of work to get out some of these small tiny details, but as I say, in the end it was worth it. So coming up to the glitter Kelly green, which is an absolutely stunning colour. This colour is just amazing and fitted in so well with the whole scheme and design that I was looking for. That was the last piece that I was doing, and you can see there's quite a lot of detail with the leaves I had to get out in the middle there, but it just took a bit of patience. So that's it now, all finished up, and then this just shows you each colour. So there was the shimmer black, the red mirror chrome, the gold yellow lime, the holographic orange, this is the orange mirror chrome, then we've got the shimmer or glitter Kelly green, the glitter white, and then the shimmer black on top. So you can see it gives you each element gives you those colours and the 3D effect, and I'd never actually done a project like this before, so it was pretty cool to see how it all comes together with each different layer. Then the last piece of the puzzle was to pop it inside a frame. I just had this shadow box available. Depending on how you want to put together the 3D picture or the design, you can put foam pieces in between each piece, but I just didn't have the patience for that, so I just decided to use this shadow box because I had it. You could use a thinner frame as well, and just to keep it in place I put some packaging paper in the back there, and then I didn't have to worry about it moving around. So just popping on the frame back now, and there we have it, it's all done. And as I say, this is probably was quite a long project to do, but I enjoyed it because just seeing as each layer came through, the different designs and what it would bring to the whole picture. And yeah, I really love how the holographic glitters and vinyls come through. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any questions let me know. Thank you.